In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose the best Smartsheet alternative for your workflow. If you're considering switching away from Smartsheet, the first thing you want to do is get clear on what you actually need from a work management platform. Start by making a simple list of the features that matter most in your day-to-day work. For example, you might need strong project tracking, visual dashboards, task automation, team collaboration, or better reporting. This step is important because it helps you focus on tools that solve your real problems instead of getting distracted by features you may never use. Once you know what you're looking for, begin comparing some of the most popular alternatives. A good place to start is with platforms like Airtable, Monday.com, Asana, ClickUp, Wrike, and Microsoft Project. Each of these tools has a different style and strength. Some are more flexible and visual, while others are better for structured project planning or larger teams. The goal here is not to find the most popular option, but the one that fits your working style best. Next, take time to check each app's pricing and features carefully. Don't just look at the monthly cost. Also, pay attention to what is included in each plan, because some features may only be available at higher pricing tiers. This can make a big difference if you need automation, advanced views, or reporting tools. Looking at pricing in context helps you avoid choosing a platform that seems affordable at first, but becomes expensive once you need more functionality. After that, review whether each app supports collaboration and integrations. If you work with a team, strong collaboration features are essential. Look for things like comments, file sharing, notifications, and shared views. Integrations also matter, especially if you already use tools for communication, file storage, or customer management. A platform that connects well with your existing systems can save a lot of time and reduce manual work. If free trials are available, test them. This is one of the best ways to see how a platform feels in real use. Try building a small sample project, creating tasks, viewing reports, and checking how quickly you can find what you need. During this stage, also compare ease of use and reporting features. A tool may be powerful, but if it feels confusing or takes too long to learn, it may not be the right fit. Finally, choose the app that best fits your workflow and budget. The right choice is the one that supports the way you work, gives you the features you need, and stays within a price range that makes sense for your team or business.